Jensen mo, me.
Ha? Sure, uy, Jensen, yun na.
Online para ma-download ang edited na baptisan. Next, pili sa kanan.
For ang... Nanako.
Look siguro sa mic.
Sa mood. Uy!
Alit ganun.
Fish.
Bibi. Mama,
Duduku. Oh!
oh,
Baon ni Papa ba?
Love.
Duduku ah. Duduku kay Daddy.
Look, so big, baby, look.
So big. Alimuot na. Ang sa last na ba? Ay, where's your pictures daw? Yeah, ask Mama.
Picture, come on. Give me. Give me that.
Hello, turtle? Ay, Didi, ay.
Picture na. Bibi.
La shark, oh.
Oh, look.
Hello. Oh, sana.
Look kayo, Bibi. Tutok kayo.
Dire daw, dire. Sige na, okay na.
Okay, mag-vlog. So big.
Sir, picture na yun, sir.
So big.
Ano na sa sila dito?
Yeah. Hello, Johnny to.
Ito na.
Ay, catfish.
Catfish.
Laban.
Pero yung na naman, mga catfish ka na sa gawas mo. Puffer fish.
Uy, ang puffer fish. Uy,
Pagkukod sila to. Ikaw, vein ka ka. So, ano sa nila?
I told you.
kira ka day? Wow.
Yung ano ba yung mga kaya ito yung wipe ang imuhang nose bit. Wipe na yung prano.
Cute.
Alligator, snappy.
Abi na ko alligator turtle.
Mami mo favorite.
No. Unsa ni?
Iguana.
Ew, di ko ganan.
Wow!
Ay, bitaw, ninago man sila, oy. Ano, mga spider.
Kasi saan na mami?
Scorpion, nitago man. How about this one?
Centipede.
Wala man, napatay na guro. Hedgehog. Wait.
Look, oh, there.
Zero bearded dragon, kuyawa.
Cyril! Cyril! Snake!
Love. Love.
Tuyo! Tuyo! Ako din.
Aman. Ang mga ang lizard. Isa ni siya sa savannah mo na to.
Cyril, look! Cyril!
Awan niyo.
Aman. Look. Ikaw to ko na eh.
Cyril, look!
Yeah.
Dad! Ate mo, Dad!
It's a snake. Yeah.
Dad! Dad, too? Dad?
Ew, look. Snow corn snake.
Ate, Papa!
So scary. Look, kalain na niyo.
Wala ka niyo. Nag-inok niyo siya.
Look. Hello. This one, fire corn.
Asa sila sa iyo?
Stories, no? Ang mga birds na diha. Oh, pwede din eh. Ay, salamat.
Kay Ma'am Sir, basta hindi na mo try Ma'am. Bird feeding for only 100 pesos. Try kayo Ma'am Sir, bird feeding for only 100 pesos.
Hey.
Para may sprayers na mamapin niyo sa bird. Just like taking the picture Ma'am Sir.
Trapo, raway, trapo.
Ano ba yun?
Ang mama may up.
Eee!
Wow, so cute. Oh,
May mga lovebirds ah. Pwede raman nun mo balik ba basta di lang daw mo gawas.
Hey!
Seven Seas. Kuan, main tank gallery daddy.
Asa man tani? You are
Kana.
here.
Naata sa Seven Seas.
Tuloy.
Papa!
Layo pa no to.
Maya!
Ay, banay.
Ay, manang lang nasod.
Lalo sa mga nimo.
Hello! Ay, mga dagkoy na din na sila, no?
Illusion
Ano
lang.
yung dagko? Ha?
Illusion ra na.
Sa illusion.
3D projection ra na sila. Murag di tinuod no.
Nga naman.
Uy, iskama ng Disney, uy.
Nga naman.
Ano ba sila dire, oh? Umpad na si Glory.
Di maglihok lo. Oh no. Katong sa video ba, no? Nga wara sila ng lihok ba?
Cyril! Nasa Cyril. Shark Soccer. Tagsarasan. Ikada isa kayo anali. Tagsarasan.
Dawa lang, murag ba ito?
Ay katuning manok pag na shrimp no.
Awo, burog kaning burog ba to? Oh? Nga fish?
Ang shrimp din.
Ay, shrimp na?
Wa, nitago ang shrimp.
Na shrimp. Ay. Doon ang pasukin manok pag na kukan mo.
Baby, look! Hey, look!
Yawa na nila eh.
Hey, saan kayo nung bata lang? Pakikita ka sa bata naman.
Wow! Thank you na ay, gano'n.
Sa TV ba? Working.
Lagi. Wow! Lion fish. Uy, look! Ito na si red lion fish. At mag-share-share day sila, no?
Pumper fish.
Eh, Daddy Bini ka.
So, nalagay sila sila samgyup.
Aman. Lagi mo ako ito kita sa tuwa na sa lain. Awan ako rin. President, uy, hello. Uy, wala sila.
Dog face. Pumper fish.
Hello, buro itong iro. Kaya. Hello, igno. Okay. Dog face, puffer fish.
Mura kayo sila kiro.
Oh, tanawa ko daw. Mura gagir.
Murag ba ito, Riley?
Isda ko na.
Dura ka na kani ay. Kanang sa tuan yun. Kanang color itong ba?
There's a fish. Oh,
Ako i-feed ni mo sa fish. Mami, sakay siya through ka.
Wag na, oy.
Oh, isda sa bato. Hopla, hopla.
Yay!
Ay, dili ay. Magpunta makaisda ay.
Yay, inagok na gid ang baby.
Ila ka to, ning balik ka ilaha miri ano? No, kato eh. Andunghaw, andunghaw. Oh, stingray. Idata sa petrolya pasoy.
Baby crocodile.
It's a crocodile baby. Or kuan.
Katong sa main aquarium,
So,
fish
arita sa
feeding man
oceanarium.
siguro.
Hari siya sa Dorado.
Alas 4.
Alas 3, alas 4, ang bird show.
Aw.
Diri ay, kato makita ang crocodile diri.
Ang fish pa.
Daddy! Daddy!
Ang crocodile.
Pwede mo bumalik kami.
Oh, pwede lang bumalik. Basta dili ka magawa.
Oh, pwede po sa taas. Mas limit yung hatay para doon ka sa birds.
Not there!
Here.
Pangatlo, kita siya mas kapag
Sa bagong lugar na, sa Dirio.
popcorn.
Ha?
80 popcorn.
Ito ka na, no?
Ano lang tayo ba rin?
Now before I start this training back, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Say go blue, go blue.
Go blue.
Alright, everybody else in here cheer for Azul. Say go Azul, go Azul.
Go Azul, go Azul.
So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Ready,
Diary.
set, go. Here's the rehearsal. First ball by So suggest the relays. The mechanic of this game, the first bird can drop 3 rings to the pool. The fastest is the winner. And that's the relays. Alright, so the relays make sure to remember guys, if you already got one point, let's cheer louder for a duel this time. So are you guys ready for the second round? Set, go! It is the very blue, the first ring by blue. Second ring by red, right is six, and blue picks up all 3 rings at the same time. Alright, let's see our applause for our uniform criminal boss, blue and azul. And Ato. Ato follows here with a money bill. So for the 20, 50, 100, or any money bill. Yes, sir. Can I have one more room? So please join me on stage and bring your money bill. Please stand right here. Please the table the next to the left or sideways. So we're circling around you here. So no matter what happens, do not move or swing your arms. Okay? Now let's call our money bird. Blue. We're going to blue comes over and gets the money. What's next, blue? Blue comes back to the table and gets blue wants to. There you go, the name that your money. So sir, okay lang ka, you believe you blue 20?
Okay lang.
Sure?
Yes.
This is okay sir, about second round. 500 po sir. So after you said just kidding, so part show, we just share your money. But first, blue was a picture with you for souvenir. So just follow your dad's instruction. And now let's call in Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. Going to your cat, that's Bandit. Now here with me is Yoshi, and my trainer Yoshi, that's Goldie. Alright, let's start on your right. Your pads are really waiting on the wall and big. As you can see, the body is covered with mostly red line. The sweet tattoo letters are blue and green. Now the mom also white naked face strapped with small red feathers. The red and the wings are of the rock girls. Now say hi to them and say hi. On the other side. Now up next with Junior Jesse's are blue and blue Makwa Goldie. Now blue and blue Makwa is a beautiful shade of blue on their backs. A solid shade of yellow on their bellies and in a ring. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Now those birds can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. Now here is a portion for we have 3 blue and gold macaws. We have blue, azul, and goldie. So earlier and last name is Ara Aragona. Now lastly, here with me is our blue name, Ara Yoshi. And it's birds with wings. Now here with me is our locally known as football. And body. Now for the lifespan, Yoshi right here can live up to 50 years old. We normal host Bandit and Goldie. They can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And also guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. So that is it for the details of parrots here in Ocean Park. Once again, our green name called Bandit, our blue name parrot Yoshi, and our blue and gold called Goldie. Now let's go on by once again. It's going to show us how intelligent it is by putting up the tree right to its correct spot. Now parrots are intelligent and can remember even the slightest and smallest detail. They use this skill a lot to find food and shelter. There we go, intelligent round of applause for our green name called Bandit. Guys, I'm very silver cups. So as you can see, they're all empty. Now we're going to put this ball on your left, right, or in the middle. Again, number left, right, middle. Ladies, we're right here. Now let's call in our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, we think Goldie has the ability to find a hidden object. If you say yes and everybody will cheer, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find a hidden object for us. Now where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each drop. There you go, you got it, around for our second bird. Goldie. Right here, we show the articles. Now we're going to this new to our cockatoos. Now these birds are recognizable very prominent crests and curved bills. Now there are 21 species of cockatoos around the globe, but here's the Ocean Park, we have 3 types of cockatoos. Now let's meet our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. So if you remember Snow, here with me is Tweety, and then Junior Jessie, that's Nigel. Alright, let's start now. Here with me is our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety. These birds prefers their habitat. Now next with Junior Jessie is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. These birds are also races like an umbrella. So what happens in Nigel kung saan as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, pregnant, or in mating. Now before we proceed, I'll be asking you guys 2 numbers between 1 to 20. Any numbers between 1 to 20? So our equation is 4 plus 8.
Luto ni.
Now before we call on our Greek mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Now the numbers that we shuffle, let's call on our Greek mathematician, Snow. Alright, Snow, our equation is 8, 4 plus 8. Okay, so is Snow ready? Alright, Snow, please do the equation for us. Here we go, Snow picks up the first number. Number 1, is the first number correct? Again, is the first number correct? Alright, Snow, second number, Snow. Okay, there you go, 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. Round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow. The white-bellied seagull are found in Southern Asia and Australia. Now having a wingspan of 2.2 meters, and now they're considered as the second largest raptor in Australia. We love to prey on fish, sea turtles, and sea snakes.
Wait lang, wait.
Here you go, that is it. Well,
Nindot nga ko ano, mao niyo.
Nordic nights and typically known as Madagascar windows. Sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as lawins or banok in the Visayan region.
Oh, baby, oh.
So that is it for our Philippines. The Philippines serpent eagles and typically known as Philornis holospheros. They are found in the major areas of the Philippines in the forest and open woodlands. Balik mo na dali.
Oh, lagi. That's you.
Jellyfish. Papakulit na dito ba?
Very good.
Right.
Ready? Okay, sorry.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh. So, yeah.
Giant clam, dako pa siya sa tao.
Wow. Now open. Mau doon eh. Penguin. Ay, no, baby, no na.
Come here, come here.
Yes, it's me. No. It's okay. Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Murag darada di ay.
Ano sa penguin na naman?
Ana di diri.
Hold kayo. Hold natin sa hand. Hold hand, please. Please, hold lang. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Ganan ka mag-cake ta dire dade.
Let's go, goodbye plushies.
Ato na i-wipe lang din. Wipe lang nila di wipe lang. Wipe.
Mura sila nag-show-show po, no?